Welcome back to the Ask the Doc Life Lessons podcast. I'm your host, Dr. V. Today's topic is one that almost all of us dream about: how to make money while you sleep. It is my favorite thing to do. Let's be honest. Most people are trapped in the time for money cycle. You work 8 hours, you get paid for 8 hours, etc. But what if you could earn money while you rest, while you travel, and even while you're on the beach or spending time with family? That is the power of passive income. And today, I'll show you how to unlock it with 10 real practical ways to start earning money while you're off the clock and you're laying down in bed sleeping. Making money while you sleep isn't just a catchy phrase. It's also a mindset shift. Passive income creates freedom, the freedom to pursue your dreams, your purpose. It helps you take risks. It helps you care for your health, and it also helps you to spend time with those who you love. It also builds resilience, because when life throws you curveballs, and I'm telling you it will, having money that flows without your constant labor creates stability and options. And here's the truth. You don't need $1 million to get started. You just need the right strategies and a commitment to act. As we're speaking, I have 6 revenue streams, and which one will work for you? Let's check that out. So here's 10 ways to make money while you sleep. Now, regardless of your background, regardless of your financial position, here are those 10. Number one of my favorites: dividend paying stocks. Invest in companies that pay quarterly or even monthly dividends. While the stock market fluctuates, steady dividend payers like Procter & Gamble, Reality Income, Johnson & Johnson, etc. can provide reliable income over time. Create a portfolio such that you get income, passive income, and dividends each and every month. Please watch some of the previous episodes where I talk about this. Number 2, real estate rentals. Buy an inexpensive property and rent it out. Whether it's long-term tenants or short-term Airbnb stays, rental income can roll in month after month, especially if you use property managers to automate the process. If you don't have that money, there are ways to secure OPM, other people's money, in order to do it. Number 3, invest in real estate investment trusts or REITs. You want real estate cash flow without owning a building? If you don't have the money for a property, REITs pay dividends and give you exposure to property with lower barriers of entry. Check out options like VNQ or O, which is Reality Income. Number 4, digital products. Create an ebook. Use ChatGPT, online courses, a template, or even a workbook. Something that solves a problem or teaches a skill. Once created, it can sell again and again without effort. I write books, I have a podcast, and I have dividend-paying stocks, all making me money while we sleep, and I'm sure you can do them, if not better than me. Number 5, affiliate marketing. Earn money by promoting products you love and trust. When people buy through your unique link, whether it's on your blog, your YouTube channel, or social media, you will earn a commission. I now use this strategy on my podcast. Number 6, high-yield savings accounts. Please do not put money in traditional banks that pay no interest. I know this isn't glamorous, but it's still passive. Put your emergency fund or idle cash in a high-yield savings account or CD to earn more than standard bank interest. Number 7, royalties from creative work. If you're a musician, a writer, or an artist, consider licensing your work. Whether it's a song on Spotify, a book on Kindle, or photography on stock sites, you can earn recurring royalties. I still make money on a CD that I did 15 years ago. Number 8, vending machines and ATM ownership. I own an ATM right now that generates hundreds of dollars a month in passive income. It's low maintenance, high potential. Once placed and stocked, even ATMs and vending machines can generate income with very minimal effort. I'm looking into the vending machine business right now. 9, print-on-demand stores. Design a t-shirt, a mug, or a journal, and let platforms like Redbubble, Teesprings, or Amazon Merch handle the rest. You earn each time your design sells. Again, selling merchandise is an excellent thing to do, particularly if you own a business. Number 10, peer-to-peer lending or crowdfunding real estate. Platforms like Fundrise or Prosper let you invest in real estate deals or personal loans, and you can collect returns over time without owning anything directly. Disclaimer here, it's risky. Make sure you, if with anything that we're talking about, get some advice from a CPA and or an attorney or a financial planner. If you're ready to start building passive income streams, here are some helpful tools to do that. Books such as Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. I've read it at least 3 or 4 times. The Millionaire Fast Lane by M.J. DeMarco. The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss. There are websites such as Dividend.com to help you research dividend stocks. There's BiggerPockets.com, which is a real estate investing community. There's Canva or Gumroad to create and sell your digital products. There's Teachable to host your online courses that you create. And there's Fundrise to start real estate crowdfunding. Start small, learn, test, and build. The key is to take action, get moving, and let time and systems work for you. There is nothing better, as I said at the beginning, than making money while you sleep. Making money while you sleep isn't just for the rich. It's for anyone who is willing to think differently, take action, and build smart systems around themselves. Start with one passive income stream. Build momentum. Watch how your financial freedom begins to grow, quietly, steadily, and even while your head is resting on a pillow. Set a goal for at least 5 income streams over the next 2 years. Until next time, this is Dr. V signing off. Work smart, build wealth, and always invest in the future version of yourself. Take care.